Let's go!
Hello, I'm Dr. Road. In this video, I will show you a method for connecting parallel battery packs that maximizes the performance of electric bicycles. There are three main methods for connecting battery packs. First, I will introduce the method of using the double battery discharge converter. This method involves connecting batteries in parallel using a Schottky diode, so it is the easiest to install as you only need to connect the connectors. Recent products also support charging. The second method is to add a diode in the middle of the battery pack output cable. Using a shortcut diode instead of a regular diode provides better efficiency because it has less voltage drop. This method involves connecting batteries in parallel using a Schottky diode, so it is the easiest to install as you only need to connect the connectors. It allows low-voltage batteries to be charged at a low current, equalizing the voltage of the two battery packs. This allows for safer use of the battery packs. The third method is to directly connect high-efficiency batteries. When directly connecting, it is recommended to ensure that there is no more than a 2-volt voltage difference between the two batteries based on a 48-volt battery pack. This is a test video. These two batteries are battery packs with the same nominal voltage and the same capacity. Let's first check the voltage of the additional battery. It is 53.4 volts. The main battery voltage is 51 volts. It has a voltage difference of 2.4 volts. Now let's connect these batteries with the same polarity. Connect the source to the high voltage battery pack and the load to the low voltage battery pack. It is being charged at 5 amperes. This is the charging speed of a high-output fast charger. If the voltage difference is about 2.5 volts for battery packs with the same capacity, it can be used safely. If the ampere-hour of the high-voltage battery pack is larger, the charging current will be higher, so caution is needed. If you consider the performance of a typical BMS, there should be no problem up to 8 amperes. However, since the charging DC connector does not support a current higher than 5 amperes, the connector can melt due to heat. I am using an XT60 connector as the charging connector, so there is no connector overheating issue. If you found the video helpful, please subscribe and click the like button. This was Dr. Road from Electric Bicycle Masterbook. Thank you for watching.